Hello, Namaste, Adab everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment that is related to kingdom fungi. And what is the fungi? Fungi is the group of living organism. It is the group of living organism that are generally achlorophyllous. Achlorophyllous means they don't contain chlorophyll in them, and generally what type of appearance they have dark black or brownish or reddish appearance, and they are generally heterotrophic organisms. And if we speak about this fungi word is generated from a Latin word that is fungus. And what is the meaning of fungus, student? Mushroom. Mushroom is the meaning of fungus. So it is the group of living organisms that are generally found on dead or decaying material, student. That's why they have which mode of nutrition? They have saprophytic mode of nutrition, and they work as decomposers, and that's why we can also say them cleaner and the sponger of environment. And their whole body is known as mycelium. What we call them? We call them mycelium. Their whole body is known as mycelium, student, mycelium. And they have the cell wall around them, around their cell, and their cell wall is known as chitin. And this chitin is mainly made up of amino polysugar. Means their cell wall is made up of chitin. It is a biochemical substance, and this biochemical substance is made up of amino polysugar polymers. So their cell wall is made up of chitin. It is the most important question for the exam point of view, student. Their cell wall is made up of chitin, and their whole body is known as mycelium. And they have the heterotrophic absorptive mode of nutrition. Means they digest the food or that decaying material, and after the digesting they absorb it. That's why they have heterotrophic absorptive nutrition. Means first they decompose the dead decaying material, and after the decomposition they suck that particular food or nutrition. Next is they reserve their food in the form of glycogen and oil. Means they reserve their food as glycogen and oil. So this is also important. Means how do they store their food? They store their food as glycogen and oil. Next is which mode of reproduction they have. Generally they have asexual mode of reproduction, and in which they can be reproduced by fission, fragmentation, budding and spore formation. Means they can reproduce with the help of these mode of asexual reproduction. Now we will classify the group of fungi. So now we will discuss about the different class of fungi, student. First, how do we classify the fungi? Fungi we classify according to their morphology of mycelium. Means their body is known as mycelium. So according to its external appearance and mode of spore formation or fruit body, we classify the fungi into different groups. Like the first is Phacomycetes. Phacomycetes are the fungi that have the particular structure, and they have the particular structure on the biodegradable substances, and they are also found on the body of the plants, and they cause one disease, means there is one algae, the fungi come in this category, that is known as rhizopus, and that rhizopus is found on the bread. That's why it is known as bread mold. And there is one another fungi that is known as rhizopus, and it is found on one plant, and it also causes one disease that is known as rust of leaves. So Albugo candida is the Phycomycetes fungi. Next is Ascomycetes fungi. It is the also known as sac fungi because it has the bag-like structure, and the fungi that comes in this category is Penicillium and Aspergillus. And as you know that the penicillium is the fungi that was discovered by Alexander Fleming, and it is used to prepare the antibiotic, and that antibiotic is known as penicillin. And the spore that it has the ascospore, and the fruit that it has is known as ascocarp fruit. Next is basidospore having fungi, and these are known as Basidomycetes, and these Basidomycetes fungi are most common fungi that are found in our surrounding, and it is edible fungi, means it is the group of fungi that is edible, and we also take it, and it is known as agaricus or mushroom that we eat. So it is the edible fungi group, and it has one fruit that is known as basidocarp, and the spore that it has is basidospore. Next is Deuteromocytes fungi. It is imperfect fungi, and it does not have the spores, and the fungi example is Alternaria. So it is about the group of fungi, student. Now you will read it in your book and try to clear all the concept related to this. Thank you very much and have a nice day.